people. So, as of yesterday, I saw this movie called Mimi on Netflix that stars Kirthi Sanon and Amit Tripathi. I mean, Tripathi is his surname, I know. And it is such a. The film, I mean, I thought it's a comedy film, but basically it's a very tearjerker, It would it's all about surrogacy. So, and I think it's loosely based on this true life incident of a couple abroad who came to India and they for surrogacy, and then it turned out that they were told that their child, the child that is about to be born, will be born with Down syndrome. And that's what this in this true life incident also, the couple that were based abroad, they just vanished. I mean, the reason they cited is, I think they were breaking up or something on those grounds, so they were refusing to take the baby. So finally the surrogate mother herself decided to adopt the child. So this is what the movie is based on. So it's a very bold attempt, so really. And I think Kirti Sanon has outdone herself in I'm told she put on 16 kgs for this role. And I mean, everybody in the film, right from Supriya Pathak to the supporting cast, everybody is really uh, there's a lot of soul in this film. So do try and watch it. Yeah, it's called Mimi and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.